Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I will speak about the Debian 10 and how you can set up a SSH key authenticator. So when you're logged in with the SSH, you can just use your private key and compare with the public key on the host. So you that way don't need to type the password every time you need to log on, and it's much more secure in my eyes. So let's go in first. I will change the window here to my Windows. I'll go inside to SSH, and inside this folder I have my test network. This is my key for my network. If you don't know how to create a key and you don't have any key right now, you can just use a keygen, and then you are up and running, and we can say test key. And the password, I will of course I'll recommend this, but every time you log in you need to type your password to your key, so it's up to you. And then we have the key, we have the test key and the test key pub. I'll remove that key again, so we don't need it. I have my test network keys here, and then we need to copy that. The test network is a private key, public key we need, and then we need to clip it. And that's meaning if I right click now, it will paste in. And then we're going back for the Linux host, and we have in home here, and we don't have the .ssh folder, so let's creating it. And we're going into the SSH. In the SSH folder we need to go inside this authentication key file. I need to spell it right, else it will not working. So this way, and then I can just right click here on Windows and have my key down. I want to close it out here, and then my connection is gone. And what I need to do now, it's SSH I, and then find my key here to network, test network, sorry. It's the private key, and log in with my username and go inside here and say this key. You can see I have not access right now, so I probably have a spelling error inside here. So let's go inside again, and let's see about I can spell it right this time, and exit and do it again. That's perfect. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, sorry, this way, and then we're inside. Now you can see I'm logged in without the key. If my key is not accepted, it will just reject me, as you see before. Before we finish this video and we have logged in, I will show how you can disable the password. So if we're going out again and we're going inside, you can see I can log in with the password, and that's a little bit annoying, but because we have added the SSH to be more secure, and now we still have the password. So let's log in with the SSH key one more time and change the user to root, and then we need to go inside the SSH daemon configuration, and you can find it here, SSH and then SSH d config, and then search for password. And one more time, you have down here with the password authenticator, you need to comment it out and change it to no, and then we can just restart the daemon. One more time, restart SSH, and that should be it. Let's log out from the user and try again. Now I have permission denied, and if I'm logged in with the SSH key, it's going perfect. And that's it, and congratulations, you have completed how you can add your public key to a server and then log in with your private key. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you want to subscribe my channel to get more tech videos from me. And remember to share this video and put it to your playlist so you remember that. And if you have any questions, please make comments below. I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. And thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope to see you next time.